figured out what the heck he's doing?
Well, I'm recording it, send to my friend. Because we played that game, Angry Birds, and I was like, we've got an angry bird at work. I want to show you what he does. I was going to take pictures of the claw marks. You can come on by. Pecking at the glass. I know you can hear this too, so yeah. If you can hear that, that's the bird pecking at the glass. It's an angry red cardinal. We're not sure what he wants.
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Has it been 2 weeks? 2 weeks of the craziness. Let's see if we can get closer. Look at that masked bird. Isn't it scary?